Hey everyone, today I'm excited to talk about the NPAUTO key fob replacement for Hyundai Sonata 2011 to 2015. If you're like me, always on the lookout for convenient upgrades for your car, then stick around because this might just be what you need. First off, let's talk compatibility. This key fob is designed specifically for Hyundai Sonata models from 2011 to 2015, and it's compatible with FCC ID, Osloka 950T, part number 95430-3Q000, 95430-3Q001. But remember, always double-check your vehicle's compatibility before making a purchase. Now, programming. It's important to note that this key fob requires professional programming, so a trip to the locksmith or dealer is necessary. Self-programming isn't an option here, folks. And make sure your original remote has the same buttons to ensure a seamless transition. Quality-wise, I'm impressed. The key fob is made of premium ABS plastic, built to withstand drops and daily wear and tear. Plus, it comes with the electronics and battery pre-installed, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Functionality-wise, it's spot on. You get all the essential features like lock, unlock, trunk, and panic functions, just like the factory original. And with a sleek black design, it seamlessly integrates with your car's aesthetics. In terms of value, it's hard to beat. With a reasonable price tag and a generous 18-month warranty plus lifetime support, you can buy with confidence knowing you're covered in case of any issues. Overall, the NPAUTO key fob replacement for Hyundai Sonata 2011 to 2015 offers convenience, quality, and peace of mind. If you're in need of a reliable keyless entry solution for your Sonata, look no further. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.